What's up? Welcome to another episode of Cakes by Anna. I'm Serena, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make chocolate burfi, which you can make and have this Diwali. This recipe is best for people who are bored with traditional burfi. This recipe is very easy and the batter is ready within 10 minutes. This recipe does not require mawa as it is made with milk powder and few other ingredients that are easily available at your home. Not only for Diwali, but you can also make this burfi for any other special occasion or simply at home. So before starting this video, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new recipe. And now let's get started. So for this recipe, you require 1 1/4 cup of milk powder, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 3/4 cup of granulated or powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of butter, 1/4 and 1/8 cup of milk. So guys, if you want the written recipe of this chocolate burfi, I have given the link of my blog in the description box below. You can go and check that out. In a non-stick pan or vessel, take the butter, stir it on medium flame till it melts completely. Add the 1/4 cup of milk and stir it in. Then add the milk powder and the cocoa powder and stir it well till it's combined. Finally, add in the sugar and the remaining milk and cook it at low flame for 6 to 7 minutes. Do not cook this batter for more than 8 minutes or else it will dry and crumble while rolling. If this happens, add 2 to 3 teaspoons of milk and cook it at low flame for about 2 minutes. When the mixture becomes thick and leaves the sides of the pan, switch off the gas and let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes. Empty the mixture in a plastic food wrap. Roll it till it is about half a centimeter thick. Refrigerate it for about half an hour so that we can cut the burfi easily. Once the burfi batter is out of the refrigerator, cut it into the shape of squares or diamonds with the help of a knife. You can also mold the dough in any shape that you like. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do give this recipe a try and comment down below how it turned out to be. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in my next video.